Good morning. It's Wednesday, about 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So, a couple hours into trading. So, it's going to be a short video because there's really not much to report today other than this. It's just the obvious. I mean, it seems like it's like the calm before the storm. The markets, this is Dow Jones right here, sitting in this balance area. And here's the ES right here. Same thing with the ES, S&P, just in this balance area, and it's sitting at the top. Then you got the VIX. The VIX is stretched out, so we got, something's got to break here. It's getting a little bit too far out with the VIX, especially the VIX going down at extremes. So, like I said, it's like the calm before the storm. There's nothing for me to do other than I have my put positions in here. I'm just thinking the market's just going to start coming down soon, hopefully this week or maybe next week. I don't know how long they're going to stretch this out. So I'll go back into the ES. Let's change this into a 5-minute. So as far as day trading goes, you can see this has basically come up here. And this morning, it just came straight up here. Now, for me, this would not have been a good trade because I don't really see a clear balance area here. It just came up here, and then all of a sudden it just took off. Now, it did build a little balance area here, and you could probably trade that, but it just doesn't seem like it's a good trade. Now, it came up here and put a stop right here. So you do have a nice, really good resistance here. Now, this could actually be a trade going down because I think there's a lot of pressure going down. But it doesn't mean that this won't come back up to this line or even beyond before it starts coming down. So for me, I'm not day trading. I think this is a little bit dangerous for day traders. I think it's like you got a 50-50 chance. Unless you absolutely know where this market's going to go, then it could be a good day trade. But other than that, like I said, the only thing I see here is this has hit some resistance right here. And there could be a good chance it could start coming down. Or like I said, because of what the market's been doing as of late, it's been breaking a lot of the rules, and it goes down and then it comes right back up. And it's just kind of sitting in this little balance area, like right here. It's pretty much in here, but it's staying at the top of this area. Eventually it's going to come down. So I don't know if that's going to be today, tomorrow, or the next day. But as of now, I'm just holding my positions short. And like I said yesterday, if you wanted to buy some more put options anywhere in here, you can go ahead and do that. Make sure that they're out at least a month. And be prepared that this market could come back up into this area. But you saw the VIX, it's pretty stretched out as it is now. And so I don't see this thing going up and making a new bull run. Although it's possible, but I would think that the chances of that happening is maybe a 20% chance and maybe an 80% going down. And that's just a guess. It's actually more than a guess. It's more of a feeling through experience, and that's where I'm putting my money. So that's it. Again, this is really a short video because it's kind of like the same thing as yesterday. It's like a repeat. There's not a lot going on. Here's the Russell, and Russell was here yesterday, and it kind of broke down today. So maybe today's a down day. We'll see if that happens. And there's a NASDAQ, and it's holding up in here. Needs to come down at least into this area before going up. And that's my best estimate on that. Okay, so that's it. Short video. So hopefully you've taken some positions in here, maybe short, like I said, and if this market starts breaking down, you can start making money and possibly sell out in here, because once it gets down into this point, it might bounce a little bit before it comes down, or it could bounce and then come back up into here. So, but I'm thinking this is pretty much of a for sure thing, the market retracing at least down into this area, and then at least you can make some money coming down in there. And once it gets down in there, then we can always analyze this a little bit and see where this market is going to go from this point. Okay, that's it. Talk to you tomorrow.